We're out in the swamp today. We're making some yogurt marinated chicken. Now, I don't know if you've cooked with yogurt before or used yogurt in your cooking, but it does a few things. It tenderizes the chicken. It gives it flavor. Why do you think the Greeks do it? And it puts an awesome crust on the outside of it. But it's not going to be just yogurt. We're going to take some yogurt, mix it with some cumin, some cilantro. I've got a special seasoning we're going to put on it. Stay with me. The ingredients of this are pretty simple. I got one bunch chopped cilantro. I got a cup of Greek yogurt. Don't use that fancy yogurt. This is the juice of a half of an orange. I've got 2 teaspoons minced garlic. And in here what we've got is 2 teaspoons of cumin, a teaspoon of the pink salt, teaspoon of the black pepper, and a teaspoon of cumin. And if you don't have the pink Himalayan sea salt, you can use kosher salt, no problem at all. I've got a Ziploc bag here, okay? I'm going to take that yogurt, 1 cup of yogurt, get it down in here. Get our garlic in here. Get that cilantro and orange juice. All right. Now I'm just going to seal this up so I can get it all mixed up real well. And I actually forgot my dried seasonings, right? You got to get those in here also. Okay. All that cumin, cayenne, and everything. All right. Now let me seriously get it mixed up this time. Okay. Looks pretty mixed up to me. All right. Now I've got 1, 2, 3 chicken thighs, 2 chicken breasts. All right. Mix it up the way you want it. There's only going to be 3 of us tomorrow, so that's all I need. Okay. Once again, I just want to make sure I get the chicken all coated up real nicely, like so. And then what I want to do is get a little bit of the air out. Okay. I just unzipped it there. We'll get the air out. Perfect. That's all you got to do. And actually, I'm going to get just a little bit more air out. Just make it easier when I'm turning it over in the fridge to get the goodness on everything. Now, just going to put this in the fridge, and we're going to let it marinate overnight. All right, here we are. 36 hours later. I usually let this go 24 hours, okay? But my daughter, I was planning to make this last night. My daughter and I took the 4-wheelers out, and when we got home, we were pooped, okay? So we didn't do anything. So here I am the next day. Going to make this chicken. Looks delicious in that yogurt sauce, don't it? Trust me, this is going to turn out just perfect. Okay. So I got my 3 thighs there. I got my 2 chicken breasts. Now don't get rid of that yogurt. Just leave it on there. Now I'm going to season this up with some barbecue seasoning. What I've got here is Rich's River Dirt. This is his hot and spicy. Now if you want to know what's in this, I'll put the ingredients down below. But he's a competition barbecue guy. He sent me this out. Rich, thank you very much. This chicken's going to be for Tammy and I. You guys know we like things a little spicy. So I'm going to hit this up a little bit. I'm doing this left-handed. I'm not so good left-handed as you can see. But let me just get both sides seasoned up. And then we're going to get over to this Weber Kettle. And trust me, I know this yogurt don't look so great on this chicken. This is going to end up being awesome. You can see I've got this Weber Kettle set up 2-zone indirect. That's just because I don't want it. I don't want it to get too hot, right? Putting it right over it with this yogurt, I'm afraid it'll burn on me. So we're just going to put it on the outside edge of this the coals. Okay, got my 3 thighs, my 2 chicken breasts. Put the lid on this guy. I'm going to go in and wash my hands, get these gloves off. We'll check on them in about 15-20 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. This grill's running 352 degrees. Let's take a look at the chicken. I'm going to go ahead and turn it over. Oh, look, we could have let it go on a little longer. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to move a little closer over the coals because I want to get a little sear on the outside of it. Okay. And get everything over here. Put it right over this direct heat. We can always remove it if it gets too hot. I'll check it in 5 or 10 minutes to make sure it's not getting too hot. It's been 10 minutes. Check out this chicken, right? You know, it's starting to get some nice color now. Oh yeah, look at that. I think this direct heat was the way to go. It's not too hot. Oh, look at that. It's getting beautiful. Look at that chicken. These thighs are really thin, right? So let me get this back. Looks like I scooted the whole grill grate. I'm going to scoot these big breasts over here. Keep the thighs over here on the side. All right. I really like the way this one's looking. And then I'm going to get a temp probe in this bigger one. We're going to put the lid back on. We'll check it on 5 or 10 minutes. They're getting close. Spend 5 more minutes. This chicken is probing 167. We only need 165, right? So let's get it off of here. Let me get this temp probe out. Looking great, isn't it? Look at that. Got a nice color on it. Looking forward to this. So let me get the chicken off. We'll do the taste test. Look, I showed up again. Always when the food's ready. Alright, so we're going to dress this chicken up a little bit. This yogurt chicken. She's a chicken eater, right? I could eat steak 24/7.
You know what we don't have?
These are chopped chives, right?
Mm-hmm. We don't have any utensils.
You're going to have to get a utensil?
Well, yeah, we need to
That or we could just pick it up and eat it like carnivores?
I mean, we could.
Okay. So we're going to pause right here, let the chicken rest, while somebody go get some utensils. Alright, so somebody here likes thighs. I'm going to cut her a piece of thigh. Look at that. I don't know how well you can see that. Juicy. Do you need a smaller bite? Or you
a little bit, yeah, please.
How about that? You see that just fell apart?
Yeah.
Is that okay, or
Yep.
you want a bigger bite
Good.
now? Okay. Let's do that. There's one for
Perfect.
you.
Thank you.
As y'all well know, I'm a breast guy. So I'm going to turn this around. Cut me off a big piece of breast. Look at that. You can just see the juice in it. It's for sure juicy. These are your serrated knives. I have to make sure everybody knows these are her serrated knives because people, you know, they make fun of my serrated knives. These are hers. Okay.
Wow. That's super good.
I was a little worried that I let it go 36 hours in the marinade. It's fine. It's not mushy or anything, is it? The texture is
really good.
fine. You definitely get the cumin.
Yeah.
And oh, you want another piece? Here, right there.
Is that breast or is that thigh?
That's your thigh. And I get a little spice, and I'm sure that's from the Riches river dust, hot and spicy. I'm sure that's where that spice comes from. I get some paprika, which is in this too. So I get why, and look, I'm not trying to.
Yep, I tasted the chili powder, right? And that's in here.
You gotta be careful what you say because people get offended. I don't mean to offend the Greek people anything I say here. I get why you do the whole yogurt marinated thing. The chicken is awesome.
It's really good.
Texture's great, flavor's great. I'm sorry this is dragging out. I gotta try the thigh. You know, Tammy ate a thigh. I gotta try one.
I'll try your breast then.
rest are better, aren't they? Hey, thanks for watching another one of our videos.
That is better.
Hey, give us a thumbs up if you like this video, even if you just sort of liked it. Subscribe. Thank you.